What's up, everybody? We're up here at the cabin again today and do some electrical, get some electrical done. Probably finish up a little bit of the blocking stuff in the framing. But first, gonna get a fire going. It snowed a little bit here last night, so we'll get a fire going and get warmed up a little bit. It's raining right now, but it's still pretty chilly. So let's go get a fire going. We've already got a couple of these boxes in for the electrical. I put them in quite a while ago before I figured out I was gonna video everything. So we've got some just odd boxes around. We don't really have anything for the lights yet. We're gonna put those in, figure out where they're all gonna go. We're gonna try and put quite a few lights in here just because in the winter here, it does get pretty gloomy and just it's dark for the majority of the time. So we're gonna try and put some lights in here and make it so it's decently warm in here with lighting. So we are gonna run this just like, or we're already gonna wire this just like a normal house. So it's gonna be run over to a panel in the corner over there. And then we'll eventually tie onto it with a solar unit or a battery bank of some sort. But with doing that, we can just wire it like we would a normal house. And that's how we know how to wire. So that's what we're gonna do. We don't have to really do anything fancy or anything like that. All these lights and everything in here are all gonna be super high efficient LED stuff, and we're going to do gas range and gas appliances, gas water heaters. If we do end up putting a washing machine, clothes washing machine, it'll be natural or propane. So really it's only going to be lights and just your electronics and things like that. So it shouldn't take that much power, hopefully. So that's what we're trying to do. started pulling wire now. I think we probably missed a couple holes, but we can just get started pulling wire now. But before we get too far, we're gonna clean this all up. We know better than to try and work without having a clean space to work. So we're gonna clean it up. It's a disaster, so let's clean this up. Oh yeah, that's better. So I haven't drilled any holes back here yet in this wall. I don't know why, I just haven't. Fun editing. Okay, that's the last box on this circuit. So we're gonna change this box. I have a single, I just put a single in here, but we're actually gonna put a double gang box in here because this is the bathroom in here. So I want to be able to have light switch, and then also have a fan for moisture and everything else to get out of here. So. I think we're gonna do 4 can lights in the ceiling here, because I want quite a bit of light down here. I mean, this is the kitchen, this is where you cook, right, and where you work. Pull on this one, and this one. What does that look like? So we got the holes drilled for the lights. So our light switch is going to be over here for these kitchen lights. So we're going to run power up along here, out of here, through here. It's not very good explaining, but then we're going to run through the holes that we just drilled in the ceiling here, and then it'll spider off to these 4 can lights in the ceiling. And then this kitchen sink light here, the dish light, we're gonna come and actually make this box a double gang box like we did on that one in the bathroom. So we're gonna have a plug-in on one side of the box, and then we'll have the light switch for this light on the other side of the box. So we can run this light separately from these 4 lights. So we'll have 5 lights total. These 4 lights will be on the switch over there. This single light will be on the switch here against this wall. All right, guys, I think we're out of here for today. I've got most of the wiring done for most of the electrical boxes. We did forget our staples though, so I'll have to put those up next time we come up. We need to get a couple more boxes and things, but we're so far out of town that it's kind of a pain to just run to town for a couple things. So yeah, we're just getting cleaned up, sweep up, and then get some other stuff. We got this board over here. I just noticed today, this board twisted really bad, and this header's just completely rolled out of the wall. So we're gonna have to redo that. That's kind of it for today, guys. So thanks for watching, I guess.